Hi guys, I am Christy and this is Created by Christy. Today we're going to make a beachy ornament, which is super simple and a lot of fun. You can make with your kids if you want to, or you can make it by yourself if you just want some peace and quiet. But it's a super great way to have something a little different on your tree. Maybe you can use shells that you got at the beach when you went on, or sand from a beach where you went on your honeymoon, you know, all those fun things that have memory. I like to add that additional layer to it, but I don't have any of those fun things. I am not a beach girl, as you can tell by my red hair and white skin, but I still think beach ornaments are a fun way to make. So I have got some synthetic sand that I bought. I ordered these super tiny little seashells because I wasn't sure what I was going to be able to fit in the ornament. And I also have some larger shells that I used. These are actually decorations from part of a wedding where it's got like the little shells and sand and little glittery coral reef, if you will. So I'm using those to create the ornament. I'll bring you down so you can take a look, but for today's experiment I'm using the clear plastic ornaments that you can get at Michael's, Hobby Lobby. I think you can even find them at Walmart these days. The synthetic sand, an assortment of seashells, and the other thing I'm using to make it look just add a little bit more dimension is I'm using some broken glass in that green color, so it kind of looks like sea glass. So I will bring you down so you can see what we're doing. I can't wait to show you how it turns out. Okay, here you can kind of get a better look at what's inside that and see what we're pulling from. So I have got one that I already mixed over here with some of the sea glass. I'm just gonna pour that into a separate cup. Then we're gonna pick my shells out so that we can get started. So you can kind of see there how it has the broken glass in there as well. So to start, I'm just going to remove the top from here, and then I'm going to squeeze my cup, and I'm going to do it over this so I don't make a giant mess, and just kind of filter that sand and sea glass in there till I've got like a nice little base there, right? So once I have that done, the next thing I'm going to do, oh look, stand, yay, is pull some of the tiny little conch shells and drop those in. Not too many, because you don't want it to be like overcrowded. And then, let's see what we can fit in here. Nope, that one's not gonna fit. Then I'm just gonna take this, and again, this is, gosh, this is from a Christmas stem that I got at Michael's. It's literally just, to me, it looked like coral reef, and that's why I chose it. So I'm just gonna cut that into a smaller piece there, and then I will slip that right down inside so it kind of looks like either some driftwood or coral reef there on the beach. So that makes it kind of fun. So we've got that. And then the last thing I'm going to do is just take the little top, squeeze it together, reinsert it, and then I'll take my cut final to do a little saying on the front and then finish it with the bow at the top. Okay, so now I've got my little sayings cut out on my Cricut. So I'm just gonna use the transfer paper here to get the words onto the transfer paper. have the words on the transfer paper. And then I'm going to take this up. So there we have the words. The beach is my happy place with the little snowflakes, or not snowflakes, seashells in the back. And then the final step, I'm just going to add a little ribbon to it for our beachy stuff. So I am going to just tie a little bow. And then I'll just dot it with some hot glue right there, and it will be ready to go. As always, guys, thanks for watching. See you next time. Be sure, like and subscribe.